Welcome to the Natural 9 Ingredients Shakedown.
It's important to know what is on a product's label and why. Here we investigate ingredients used in natural skincare, one by one.
Today, we are talking about an ingredient that is probably in your kitchen cupboard right now. I cook with it, I put it in my smoothies, and yes, it's used in skincare. We are talking about coconut oil.
It is the ultimate multitasker, but while you might know it for stir-fries, its biology has a secret connection to motherhood that most people miss entirely.
You mentioned a secret connection. Is this why we call this episode the Mother's Bond?
It is. Coconut oil is composed of about 50% lauric acid. Now, that might sound like just another chemical name, but in nature there is only one other abundant source of lauric acid.
Don't tell me.
It is breast milk.
Wow, so the fat in the coconut is chemically similar to the fat we feed our babies.
Exactly. Lauric acid is vital for immune support. So when you apply coconut oil to a newborn's skin, you aren't introducing a stranger. You are applying a protective fatty acid that they are already biologically programmed to receive.
That explains why it feels so nurturing. But does it do anything active?
It is incredibly active. Coconut oil is naturally antimicrobial and antifungal.
Which is perfect for the nappy area, right?
Precisely. The warm, damp environment of a nappy is a playground for bacteria and yeast. The lauric acid in coconut oil helps disrupt those bad bacteria cell walls. It's like a gentle, natural disinfectant that hydrates while it protects.
We have to talk about the G word, grease. Coconut oil can feel heavy.
On its own, yes, it is a heavy lifting hydrator. That is why in skincare we don't use it as a solo artist. We blend it with tallow and arrowroot powder.
So the arrowroot cuts the grease.
It balances it. You get that deep, penetrating hydration of the coconut, which strengthens the barrier, but the finish remains velvety. It's all about the ratio.
I have to ask a safety question. Usually, if I leave a natural product in my bathroom, it goes off. How are we keeping this safe?
That is the magic of coconut oil. It acts as a natural preservative.
How?
It comes down to stability. Coconut oil is over 90% saturated fat. In chemical terms, that means its molecules are packed tightly together, making them incredibly stable. They resist oxidation.
Oxidation is what makes oils go rancid, right?
Exactly. Most plant oils oxidize quickly when exposed to air, but coconut oil is like a biological time capsule. It stays fresh and stable for years. By having it in our formula, it helps extend the shelf life of the entire jar without us needing to add a single drop of synthetic preservatives.
So nature is doing the preserving for us.
Precisely. It protects the product, so the product can protect you.
I've heard the coconut tree called the tree of life. Is that just marketing?
No, that is its actual name in the Philippines, Pocock cerebuguna. Every part of the tree is useful. Roots, trunk, fruit, leaves. It sustains life.
And now it sustains our skin barrier too. We need to address a common question. I opened my jar and it's more runny than yesterday, or it's rock hard today. Is our product unstable?
Not unstable, it's responsive. You've just discovered nature's built-in thermometer. Pure coconut oil melts at about 24 degrees Celsius.
So if my bathroom is warm, it melts. But why doesn't it turn into a complete puddle?
That is down to the supporting cast. While the coconut oil softens, the beef tallow and yellow beeswax have much higher melting points. They act as a natural scaffold.
So they hold the structure together?
Exactly. They aid the consistency by keeping the balm grounded, while the arrowroot powder ensures that even if it softens, it stays creamy rather than separating into a greasy mess. It's all about a team effort, nature's own stabilizing system.
I have to ask a feelings question. We've talked about acids and fats, but I want to talk about feelings. Is there a medical reason why we are so obsessed with rubbing this oil onto our babies?
It's not just obsession, it's a biological necessity. We often say touch is the first language a baby learns.
And coconut oil is the medium for that.
Exactly. Because of its slip, that perfect glide texture, it's the ideal oil for infant massage. And when you massage a baby, you aren't just moisturizing dry skin, you are releasing oxytocin in both the baby and the parent.
The love hormone.
The love hormone. It lowers cortisol, stress, and builds the bond of attachment. So when you take those 2 minutes to massage cream into their little legs, you are literally wiring their brain to feel safe and loved.
So it's not just skincare, it's a bonding ritual.
It is affection in cream form.
From the tree of life to the mother's bond.
It's familiar, safe, and scientifically sound.
If you want to learn more about the science of lauric acid, check out our ingredients section on our website, natural9.co.
Please drop any questions in the comments. We read and answer them all. Have a great day.